Let me tell you something many people don't realize. Financial progress does not look like a new car, expensive lifestyle, or millions on your account. Sometimes the biggest signs that your life is changing financially are small habits no one notices. And today, I want to show you 5 signs that you are actually improving financially, even if you don't feel like rich yet. Hey everyone, my name is Becky and welcome to Becky Brilliant Finance. A lot of people feel discouraged financially because they compare themselves to others online. You may feel like you're not earning enough, you are behind in life, or you're not making progress. But sometimes your mindset and habits are already changing in powerful ways. And those small changes are usually where real financial freedom begins. Sign 1. You now track your spending and follow budget. The first sign you are improving financially is this. You now pay attention where your money goes. Before, money would come in and disappear. You would spend without thinking. Random shopping, takeaway, impulse buying, mobile money spending. And at the end of the month, you wouldn't even know where your salary went. But now, you started tracking your expenses. You are following a budget even if it's simple. And that's very big shift. Because awareness changes everything. Once you become intentional with your money, you stop wasting it carelessly. Another sign connected to this is learning to live below your means. You stop trying to impress everyone. You become more careful with lifestyle pressure. And honestly, that's wisdom many people learn too late. Sign 2. Saving money has become a habit, even if it's small. The second sign is that saving money is becoming consistent for you. Not perfect, but consistent. Maybe before, saving felt impossible. But now, even if it's 20k, 30k, 50k, or 100k Ugandan shillings, you intentionally put something aside. And I want people to understand this. Financial discipline matters more than big amounts in the beginning because the habit comes before the wealth. Many financially stable people did not start with millions. They started with consistency. Even small savings teach you patience, self-control, and long-term thinking. And over time, those habits completely change your financial life. Sign 3. You have started building emergency savings. The third sign is that now you understand the importance of emergency savings. This is a huge mindset shift because many people only think about money for spending, but financially aware people think about protection too. Life is unpredictable. Life happens. Job loss, family emergencies, sickness, unexpected bills. And without savings, small problems become financial disasters. But now, maybe you have started creating a small safety net. Even if it's not huge yet, it matters. Because emergency savings bring something very important. Peace of mind. You stop panicking over every unexpected expense. Another sign, you think carefully before taking a debt. The fourth sign is this. You now think before borrowing money. This is powerful because many people take debts emotionally. Loans for phones, new apartment, clothes, lifestyle, and impressing people. But financially mature people begin asking, is this debt helping me or hurting me? You start becoming more careful. And if you already have a debt, maybe now paying it down has become a priority. That is also financial growth. Because instead of ignoring the problem, you are becoming intentional about fixing it. And honestly, reducing a debt can sometimes improve your finances faster than increasing your income. And finally, you consume financial content and learn about money. The fifth sign is one that personally changed my life. You have started consuming financial content like what you're doing right now. You watch videos about money, you listen to financial podcasts, you read financial books, you want to understand budgeting, saving, investing, and building wealth. And honestly, this was one of my first turning points financially. The moment I started following financial content consistently and reading financial books, my mindset started changing automatically. I started thinking differently about spending money, saving, budgeting, investing, and planning for the future. Before that, I never realized how much our mindset affects our financial decisions. The more you learn about money, the more intentionally you become. And slowly, your habits begin changing too. You start realizing money is not only about earning, it's also about behavior, discipline, and knowledge. This is why financial education is so important. So if you've been feeling financially discouraged lately, I want you to remember this. Progress is not always loud. Sometimes financial improvement looks like saying no to unnecessary spending, budgeting consistently, saving small amounts, avoiding bad debts, and learning about money. Those small habits may not look exciting online, but they are the foundations of really financial freedom. If you connected to this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss my next videos. And in the comments, I want to ask you this. Which of these signs have you started seeing in your own life? You may be already moving to financial freedom. See you in the comment section. Let us encourage each other. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.